I would not enter into it. I disagree with the idea that you enter into a secret agreement. You know, you have any agreement with another sovereign state should really be known by the people, should be known by the elected officials, should be known by the Senate, because a treaty needs to be ratified by the Senate. It should be known by all the local officials. It should be known by everyone. Because if that way, you're accountable. If it's a bad decision, you're accountable. Sabi, mali yung ginawa ninyo. Di ba? Ano yung tinatago mo? Bakit hindi nyo pinag-chat? Ba't di nyo sinabi? What are you hiding? Why was it secret?
As the NSC.
We've talked about it. Hindi siya kasama sa usapan. He was part of the cabinet, but he wasn't part of the discussion. So he said that he had some vague knowledge that, of course, that we were talking to China, but we are always talking to China because we're trying to minimize the tensions in West Philippine Sea. So, but who are the others that were involved? Sino ba ang kakausapin ng Embassy of China or China pagka magkakaroon ng secret agreement? Sino kinausap nila? Tanong natin sa kanila. Tanong natin sa official. If I made an agreement with anyone, you can ask the foreign secretary. Diba? You can ask the office to show you the document of what we were talking about. Tanong natin sa kanila. Kaya walang dokumento. Sige, ano ba talaga? Ikwento naman ninyo kung ano yung nangyari. What part did you play in all of this? We need to clarify the situation because nalalagay ang Pilipinas sa alanganin. Paano mo gagawin yung tama kung hindi mo alam na meron palang secret deal dun sa tabi, may side deal. And that's really what's happening here. Yeah, so go talk to the former officials and see what they have to say. I can't get a straight answer out of anyone.